Hello YouTube, it's Duke K-Dave. Here's Anne the Weirdo once again. As you know, she's in my room with me and I'm trying to make her get used to her new environment, and she's a bit like her feathers are molding and stuff. She's finally settling down. It's been like nearly 2 weeks. And she's just exploring around my room, pecking at little dirt that's on my blanket, or little cotton buds, I believe. Though we have a little closer look at her. She will she's she's a little she's just exploring as usual. Yeah, not much, and yeah, so yeah. And she's getting used to her environment. She's just having a little look around. Yeah. Lay down and bye enough for this. Duke Kato signing off.